you. Now, welcome to our YouTube channel. In today's training, we are going to look at 4 different ways in which you can create a table in Power BI. I'm going to show you 4 different ways in which you can use in creating a new table in Power BI. But first and foremost, before I go on, if you have not yet subscribed to this video, click on the subscription button below the description of this video, and also don't forget to hit the notification icon so that you'll be among the first set of people that will receive a notification each time we post a video on our channel. In creating a table in Power BI, there are different ways in which you can use in creating a table in Power BI. First and foremost, you can use the calculate table command. In order to use the calculate table command, you click on the modeling menu. You can see the new table command. You can use the calculate table command. Also, you can use the new table command to create a new table in Power BI. So let's use the new table command before we use the calculate table command. Now click on the modeling menu and click on new table. Now I want to duplicate a particular table. That's exactly what I want to do. I have various sets of tables. I want to duplicate the table. Now let me call this table name product update. Okay, let's assume that's the name of the table I'm doing. And this is the table, this is a product table. So all I need to do is to type products. So when I type product, that's the table name. These are the names of my table in this particular model. I hit on enter. Now I give the new table a name product update. Then I use an equals to sign. Then I put the table name. Now let's go to our data view. And when you click on the data view, so we can preview the table we just created. Now this is the table I just created. That is the table you can see with product key to category. Now you can go to the product. When you go to product, you can see that the product table I duplicated. Product key to what category. That's the product key to category. That's the table I duplicated. Now let's look at how we operate the table in Power BI. Now we're creating the table to Power BI. So use the calculate table function. Now go to you click on new table. Let's call that table product update. For this particular case, I'm going to use the calculate table function. Now the calculate table function can help you to shift the table. Can help you to filter the table. Now, after typing the name of the table, the next thing is to put equals to sign. Then you click on the function. Now, the first the calculate table function has 2 major arguments. The first argument is the table. Now, what is the name of the table? The table I'm interested in is the product table. So when I type on that and select the product, now it tells me it wants me to filter. Now I want the product table, but I don't want everything in the product table. I'm only interested in the product category that is component. So now when I put product category, now that is a column in the product table. So equals to then I put the component. I'm only interested in part category of it. Then I hit on the enter button. Now when I hit on the enter button, you can see the icon that is like a table. Now when you look at this product table, we have categories here. So when let's go to a data preview. When we go to a data preview, you'll see the product. This is a product table, and you look at the category. We have components, we have accessories, and so on. Now, the very point this was the table I created. Now, that is a product table. Now, this is a product table I just created. the last way of creating a table in Power BI, the last way of creating, I'm going to look on how we have created a table in Power BI. Use the Power-BI duplicate command. We use the Power Query Duplicate command. Now we want to do that. You go to the Home menu and click on Transform tab and click on Transform. Now this is a product table. Now when I want to create a product table, right click. The moment I right click, I see the duplicate command. I click on that. The moment I click on that, I can rename this to. Okay, just leave that to product 2 and hit enter. Okay, then the next thing I click on close and apply. When I click on close and apply, that is the third way of creating a table in Power BI. So that's the third way of creating a table in Power BI. So the first way of creating a table in Power BI is to use a new table command. The second is to use a calculate table function. The third is to duplicate your table in Power BI. Now you can see that here. Now, okay, you can see the product update is now up. Okay, the product update. Now this is product 2. That is a duplicate, the one we duplicated in Power Query, that's product 2. This will make use of the new table command. This will use the duplicate column, and this will use a calculate table function in Power Query. Let's see calculate table. We need product web product category equals to. Let's try, let's see accessory. If it's gonna give us something, and not here. Now you can see everything is giving us accessory. Now what we have component there, it should give us components. Probably we spell it well, or components. Okay, components. Let's see. Fine. You can see that that's the other way again of creating table in Power BI I'm going to show you is to click on data command. When we click on the data command, it helps you to create a table. Now I can decide to call this product. Let's call that product key, and then you press the tab key. When you press the tab key, you can type on. So let's say product. And then you try the plus button, let's say standard. In this particular case, you can only use it when if you are not creating a longer merge table or a table that is lengthy, and if the table won't be lengthy. So then the cost is covered. Name. Now we keep on there. At the bottom of the screen, you can see the table name. You can give the table any name you want to give the table here. You can call that middle. Then now if you want to edit the table, you click on edit. You want to load it directly into Power BI, you click on load and the cancel. That means you want to terminate the action. So let's click on load. Into automatically load that into Power BI. Now that is the 4 different ways in which you can create table in Power BI. Don't forget that the first way is to use the new table command. The second is to use the update table function. The third is to create the table in Power Query, and the last is to use the enter data command. See you next time.